Subscribe. Add oil. Add chopped onions. Cooked it lightly. Stir it. Add qeema minced. Add 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add black pepper, black cardamom. Mix it well. Cooked it for 15 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add chopped tomatoes. Cooked it for 10 minutes on medium. Mix it well. Cooked it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Flame off. Let's dish out. Ready. Subscribe. Hope you like it.